Hey guys, I'm back. So I had to quit this because I cannot see while in the freaking dark stuff. Well, I had to return the base. I had to do a different type of mission. You see, got all of the cheat codes and that I just did since like a long time ago. Then I had to do the mission log again, so I had to do some review. So the thing is, this is about it of the Medal of Honor gameplay. So um, I'm not sure about this. So I have to do a review. I had to skip that. So I know all the things that I remember since I was younger. So easy turn to the camera. There we go. I made this as like a machine pistol. That's what you get. Oh, that dog could blow himself. I blew the dog out of the tank. Come on, dogs. Come on. Show me what you got. That's what you get. Not next time. Don't try to mess with me. I have to find some legs and do all that stuff. What are you trying to do, you beautiful dog? You just trying to kiss me or something? Oh my gosh. Oh, you got a machine gun. Yo, look at my health. Look at my health. That's so horrible. Hey, bow, 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 bow. That's what I did. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Do you know why I just got this cheat code from the freaking stuff that I just did like for a long time ago? So I will like doing that. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. What are you trying to do, you doggies? Trying to kiss me? Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. Sorry, I had to get that leg. Got it. I just was trying to check it. Got the journal, find the legs, I had to find the last arm. Did you kiss me? Did you kiss me? Yeah. Don't even dare do that to me. You trying to kiss me? Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead and kiss me. Go ahead. Yeah. Oh, you pulled up that dog. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. The dog is running over the place, guys. Sorry about that. Yeah. A grenade again? Well, I made it. Yeah. Victory is mine, guys. That's of the gameplay. So that's it for the gameplay of Medal of Honor Underground. That's it for now. So subscribe, like my channel. So give me a thumbs up. Peace out. Holla at your boy Will Cato. Yeah.